Hey sports fans, alright, I got a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 here and we get the latest version of Android, and this is a brand new phone, and there are three items, apps that I'm going to delete from my phone. Well, the first one actually I don't even know if I can delete, but the first one is obviously Facebook. Now Facebook has its problems, you know, they've got problems with privacy issues, but in addition to that, look at what Facebook wants. So when I try to delete Facebook from my phone, it doesn't even give me the option to delete it. It tells me I can disable it. But here's the problem I have with Facebook. Look at all this stuff it tries to do. It tries to change my system settings. Now look, it says that that's allowed. Well, I certainly don't want that. I didn't know that was the case. So I'm going to disable that so it doesn't have the ability to change my system settings. Also, Facebook wants access to your camera, your microphone, your contact list, your location. It's just it wants to know everything about what you're doing at any given time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and disable Facebook. So it says here Facebook and all functions relating to it disabled, and then I have to go into settings to enable it. Now I really wish I could just delete this from my phone. I'm not sure why I can't do that. So anyway, we'll look into that later. But so I'm at least going to disable Facebook, because if I want to use Facebook, I can use it on an independent tablet or another device where I can localize Facebook and prevent it from spreading out and trying to gather all of my information. So that's number one. Number two is Samsung Pay. Okay, I was alarmed when I went through my settings and I found out that under connections, this box right here, NFC and payment, make mobile payments, share data, and relate. This was by default switched on, and I certainly don't want that. I don't use electronic payments, and I don't think I ever will unless they outlaw cash altogether, because I can't, I could just see the potential there for so many abuses. Somebody comes up and tries to share the data with your phone. You pass a counter and it reads something. If there's an error, you know, how do you prove that you didn't want to pay for that candy bar? And you know, at the Rite Aid counter, instead of using your Samsung Pay on the Easy Pass or whatever they call these things that read your cell phone. So this is going bye-bye. So you highlight it and there it says uninstall, and yes, I definitely want to uninstall that app. So if the app's not on my phone, they can't get my money, and I assume that you would have to put a credit card or some kind of data. I didn't even open the app to see if that were the case, but I don't want to run the risk that it's one of those things where if you used it, they could add it to your cell phone bill or something of that nature. So just getting rid of it altogether seems like the smart move to me. So number three is Yelp, and for some reason Samsung and Yelp must have some kind of agreement. I have no idea what that is, but it appears to be on the latest phones automatically installed, and Yelp is something that I will never ever use, because Yelp is just a bunch of people complaining about stuff. Anybody can write any unfounded reviews that they want. I don't care about other people's opinions. I'll make up my own mind. Thank you very much. And Yelp is going bye-bye. So uninstall that. Yes, I want to uninstall Yelp. So there you have it, folks. Those are the three apps that I saw right off the bat that I just wanted to get off my phone. And now we have that much more memory to deal with and to use and utilize. And I feel much better about my phone being safer, more privacy, and keeping my money in my wallet. So, all right, if you guys have any comments about this, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, like it so I know that you liked it, and subscribe to the channel so I can keep making videos like this. It'll free up some time. Maybe I can take a break from my day job and do more videos, because I sure like doing them for you. And thanks. You know, this is the type of thing where we're all in this together, and we can help each other out. So I'm trying to help you guys. Thanks for helping me by hitting that subscribe button. Hope you guys have a great day. Make it a great day.